You have seen the headlines, you have heard the CEOs, and probably you have felt the pit in your stomach. The story we are being fed is that artificial intelligence is coming for your job, that a new machine age is about to make human workers obsolete. But what if that's a carefully crafted story? What if the tens of thousands of layoffs at companies like Amazon, Google, and Microsoft have almost nothing to do with a robot revolution and everything to do with a massive corporate blunder they are desperate to cover up? The narrative is everywhere, and it's terrifyingly simple. In the first 2 months of 2026 alone, tech companies slashed over 33,000 jobs, a staggering 51% increase from the same period last year. And the reason we are given over and over is AI. Jack Dorsey, the co-founder of Block, announced the company was cutting its workforce by more than 40% in early 2026, claiming that AI fundamentally changes what it means to build and run a company. At Salesforce, 4,000 customer support roles were eliminated after CEO Mark Benioff confirmed that AI agents now handle a huge portion of the workload. Amazon is cutting over 16,000 corporate roles. Microsoft has cut thousands, stating a need to shift resources towards its AI services. The message from the top is crystal clear. AI is here, and it's more efficient than you are. The age of the human worker is ending, and the age of the algorithm has begun. It's presented as this unstoppable force of technological progress. We are told that this is just a price of innovation. But it's not the whole story. It's a narrative that just so happens to serve the people telling it. This story creates a culture of fear. Talented, experienced people are being thrown into a brutal job market, flooded with competition. And if you still have your job, you're likely gripped by a new paranoia, wondering if you are just one software update away from a pink slip. But here's where the official story starts to unravel. While these mass layoffs are happening, the companies making them are not struggling, not even close. In fact, they are thriving. In 2025, while conducting historic layoffs, Amazon reported record revenue of $716.9 billion. Across the board, the tech giants are cutting jobs, are simultaneously reporting enormous profits, sometimes hitting all-time highs. We are living through what some are calling a jobless boom, where company profits are soaring, but the need for workers is supposedly dropping. So you have to ask the question, if these companies are making more money than ever, why are they firing so many people? If this isn't about survival, what is it really about? Answer isn't a future of technology. It's in the mistakes of the past. To get to the bottom of this, we need to dismantle the official story piece by piece. Myth number 1. AI is the main reason for these layoffs. The reality? This is a painful correction for a massive, multi-year hiring binge. Between 2020 and 2022, the tech industry went on a wild hiring spree that was never sustainable. The pandemic pushed our entire lives online, and companies like Amazon and Meta scrambled to hire as fast as they could, betting that the explosive growth would last forever. For instance, the Bay Area tech scene added nearly 75,000 jobs between 2020 and 2022. But the boom didn't last. When growth returned to normal, these companies found themselves bloated and overstaffed. The layoffs we are seeing now are the hangover from that party. After adding 75,000 jobs in the Bay Area, those same companies have since slashed over 80,000. This isn't an AI revolution. It's a regression to the mean. It's a correction for a colossal strategic miscalculation. Myth number 2. AI is advanced enough to replace complex jobs. The second part of that story is the idea that today's AI is a one-for-one replacement for human strategists, developers, and creatives. It is absolutely not. Even OpenAI's own CEO Sam Altman has pointed out that many companies are engaging in AI washing. That is, blaming AI for layoffs they would have done anyway for other business reasons. Today's generative AI is a powerful tool, but it is not a thinker. It's trained on the past, which means it struggles with new ideas and true innovation. The most valuable work still requires human judgment, context, and accountability. And here's the kicker. According to a recent MIT study, a staggering 95% of companies investing in generative AI have seen zero measurable return on that investment. The reality is that most companies are still just trying to figure out how to use this technology. It works best when it helps people, not when it replaces them. It can write a first draft, but a human still needs to own the outcome. We made a video on the topic, and be sure to check that one out if you haven't already. If you're getting value from the breakdown of what's really happening in the tech industry, take a second to hit that subscribe button. It helps us continue to make videos that question the official narratives. Myth number 3. These layoffs are an inevitable result of technology. This is maybe the most dangerous part of the narrative. By framing layoffs as the unavoidable price of progress, it removes all human accountability. But these aren't acts of nature. They are deliberate business decisions. The truth is, AI is a convenient scapegoat. For decades, corporations have cut staff to achieve one simple goal: boost short-term profits and please Wall Street. Layoffs, especially when you wrap them in an exciting language of innovation, often makes a company's stock price jump. This isn't about AI replacing workers so much as it is about reallocating resources towards AI. Companies are firing people in one department to free up cash for massive bets on AI infrastructure, like chips and data centers, hoping it will pay off years from now. It's a strategic pivot disguised as a technological evolution. And let's be honest, it sounds a lot better to say we are restructuring for an AI-first future than to say we overhired. And now we are firing people to make our quarterly earnings look better. So let's put all this together. Big tech isn't firing you because a robot is suddenly better at your job. They are firing you because they hired way too many people and are now cleaning up their own mess. They are firing you because it's a classic Wall Street move to cut costs and pump up the stock price. And they are blaming it on AI because it's a futuristic sounding excuse that makes them look innovative instead of incompetent or just plain ruthless. This is a critical moment. The age of AI is here, but its biggest impact so far isn't on our jobs. It's on our ability to question the stories we are told by those in power. Lawmakers are starting to take notice and ask questions. This isn't about being anti-technology. It's about being pro-truth. It's about demanding transparency and understanding the very real economic incentives driving these massive, life-altering decisions. The most important skill in the age of artificial intelligence might just be our own real intelligence. The ability to think critically, ask hard questions, and refuse to accept the easy answer. If you find this video insightful, please share it. Let's change the conversation, and be sure to check out our next video on the skills that are becoming even more valuable in a world filled with AI. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon in the next one. Till then, peace out.